to my channel. Yesterday was my 10th birthday and I celebrated with my family and some friends and I got lots of gifts. So I decided to make a video to share with you all how I unbox all those gifts. So let's begin. Here comes the first gift. Oh my gosh! Edith Blyton books! Oh my gosh, she's my favorite author. Thank you so much. Even keep that.
Okay. Okay.
Here comes the next gift.
Smell करो.
Oh my gosh, tie-dye kit. I'm gonna paint some of my t-shirts. What's this? This is quite heavy.
Wow, modern.
Oh, this is modeling clay. We can make small and tiny things with this and it sits. Thank you. What's this? Ooh, fabric pens with fabric glue.
Fabric glue.
Nice. What's this Chintu box? Neon paints. It seems that people have seen creativity in me. That's why they are giving me a lot of art related gifts. Thank you. Now let's take the big one. This is Sherlock Holmes series. This is a suspense series and I love it a lot. I wanted it. Now I'm gonna read it. Bye. Oh, just
It is
kidding. But
under
I'm very,
button.
very happy.
It is that
Even
number.
keep it, even keep it.
Even I.
What's this? Even help me.
Okay. Okay, done now.
This is jewelry kit. Oh, I can use that modeling clay and this jewelry kit to make some jewelries. Nice. And see, I also got some earrings. Small earrings. See? It also has dragon fruit, grapes. Even see?
Oh, it's a very nice evening.
See, it is panda.
See these?
You love grapes, right?
I love grapes.
Nice. And with all these gifts, I got a lot of chocolates. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more. I love chocolates a lot. Ivan! Oh, he's a chocolate lover too. Let's move on. Oh, I know what is this. This is a hairband. Oh yes, it is a hairband. And with that, I also got a few more hairbands. I love them a lot. So now let's open my friend's gifts. It also has a message on it. Happy birthday, Eden, my dearest sister. Oh, thank you. Ooh, it has a cup in it. Beautiful cup. From now onwards, I will drink my coffee in it. It also has an Eiffel Tower in it. Wow. Next, let's open the scan type kit. What's this? Let's see. This looks like a watch. It is a watch. Oh, I wanted it because time is very important for me. Thank you. Chocolate type thing which looks like a toffee or something. Let's see what's this. Looks like a water bottle to me. Let's open. It is a water bottle. Yay! Thank you. Thanks a lot. अरे भाई ये क्या है? Ah, it's a tiny necklace. With that I also got a unicorn keychain. See, they're so nice and cute. I also got a compass box, Uno cards, and Dobble. This is, by the way, my favorite card game. Now let's move on to the big game. What's this? TV. It's type of a backpack.
No, it's
not a backpack.
It is a stool.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let me see. I'm gonna sit on it. Oh, it works! It's a stool.
Keep it up and show us also.
Oh, nice. Wait, I'll show you too. See?
Super.
And we can also store things in this.
Wow.
Oh wow, I like this a lot. This is so heavy. My gosh. Let's open this.
You need a scissor for that?
Yes,
Okay.
let's try my best. Impossible.
You need Dadu's help?
Yes, of course. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh my gosh. Who gave this? Dadu? Mama? Oh my gosh, Harry Potter! Oh my gosh! Wingardium Leviosa! Oh my gosh! It's okay. I'll move on. On to the next one. It's quite a big one. Oh, I need help again. Please, can you come, Dad?
Sure, dude.
Oh, unicorn stuffed table. Oh, wow. I like this. Wow. Nice. Oh my. Wow. I love unicorns. Now time for some thoughtful gifts. झाडे लावा आणि झाडे जगवा आणि कॅम्प खेळा. Dadu, please bring the carom. This is my last gift, the carom board. Thank you. And now please give me some time to arrange all the gifts. And that's all. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.